Hi, my name is Taylor Dalton.
My name is Sam Asher, and this is how you make
garlic butter croissant monkey balls.
Your ingredients include 2 Pillsbury dough sheets, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan, we'll grate it later, 1/4 cup of margarine, and 2 garlic cloves.
First, we're going to chop up the garlic into finely chopped. Small bowl, you're going to mix your Italian seasoning, butter, and your finely chopped garlic.
Now that you have your garlic and your Italian sauce and your butter mixed, you're gonna roll these into some medium-sized balls. Now that you have your balls ready, throw them in the mix.
Now that you have them all seasoned, we're gonna put these on the rack and then cook them in the oven for about 10 minutes.
All right, now we're gonna put them in the oven.
Dude, why is it supposed to be smoking like this, Eugene?
What? Oh God. Our previous oven had exploded and my partner died in the fire. So now I'm just gonna make it at home. While you're waiting for your balls to heat, spray some cooking oil on your square pan and place your balls inside. Now it's 350. Place your balls in the oven. Wait 25 to 28 minutes. The balls are ready for consumption.
You be out of here.
Now that they're finally cooked, put some cheese on your balls. Now put them back in the oven so the cheese can melt. Now that your balls are finished, in order for them to taste the best, I recommend shoving as many of them in your mouth as possible.